Hello everybody, Jim Second from KSTHL Labels. So, woven clothing labels. So we have so many calling. Actually, so many names we can call them. Woven label, woven clothing label, and garments label, and fabric label, and damask label. So many we call that. Actually, so many customers asking us and. How do they check the labels the price? Actually, a label the price based on the width of the label. The width size is more bigger and the price is more higher. And the point two is the color. If our design artwork the color is more colors, that's with the price is higher. And the density, also the density is important. The density is more high and the price is more high. Of course, the quality is more high. So the price depends on the size and the color and the density. So that's is the main point for our price of the label. Thank you.